So LACOR Fest 2021, welcome to Category 2 Mental Maths Finals. Here comes the toss, okay? So the toss is like that. See, there are 10 set of mathematicians' name, I have put it here, okay? So you can choose your own mathematician, but before that, I will call out your name so that you have to make a choice from this set of mathematicians which I have given here, okay? So may I now call out Aditya Ajit? Please choose your mathematician.
Blaise Pascal.
Can you repeat, child? Your audio is not clear. Blaise Pascal. You said Blaise Pascal, is it?
Be louder, please. Be louder.
I'm not audible. Please. Okay, Blaise Pascal. Okay. Now, Nirmay Pratyush.
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Pranav S.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav S.
Ma'am, Euclid.
Please be louder, children. I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Euclid.
Euclid. You said Euclid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav Manoj. Pranav Manoj, please repeat.
Fibonacci.
Please repeat, child. Fibonacci. You said Fibonacci, right? Children, your audio are not clear for me. It will be a very tough time if you're not having a good audio.
Fibonacci.
Oh, okay, fine. Thank you. Amrita M. Pillai, please go ahead faster.
Ramanujan.
Ramanujan. Okay, thank you. Pavan R. Bijish.
Ma'am, Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Malavika Kishore.
Shakuntala Devi.
Okay, good. Akshat.
Ma'am, Archimedes.
Archimedes. Mridul.
Rene Descartes.
Rene Descartes. Okay, fine. Actually, it is Rene Descartes. That's fine. Okay. And Ria. So that is your last choice left there, right? Yeah, of course. Ria has to go with Varaha Mihira. Am I right, Ria?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, children. So now what next will be done is that a number will be assigned to you, okay? I know that you all have your chess numbers, but that is not the number which you have to hold out throughout this competition. A number will be assigned to you, okay? So a number, yes.
Screen share, please.
Oh yeah, sir. Okay, so now a number will be assigned to you. That will be your number throughout the competitions. Okay, children, please understand that. Okay, so whoever said Euclid, okay, I think Euclid was told by Pranav S. Pranav S will be holding the number 8 throughout the competition. Am I correct? And Aryabhatta was said by Pavan. Pavan will be holding the number 3 throughout the competition. Varaha Mihira is Ria. You will be holding the number 5 throughout the competition. And Ramanujan was told by Amrita. you'll be holding number 2 throughout the competition. Shakuntala Devi was by Malavika, who will be holding number 9 throughout the competition. And Blaise Pascal, it was told by Aditya Ajit, who will be holding number 4 throughout the competition. Fibonacci was said by Pranav Manoj, who will be holding number 6 throughout the competition. Children, please note down your corresponding numbers. Please note it down and keep. Then Pythagoras was told by Nirmai, who will be holding number 7 throughout the competition. Rene Descartes was told by Mritul Matthew Joseph, who will be holding number 10 throughout the competition. And finally, we have Archimedes. Archimedes was told by Akshat, who will be holding number 1 throughout the competition. Children, are you all clear with your numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do remember, it is not your chest number we are going to work out throughout this competition. It is these numbers which I have assigned you, okay? These numbers which I have assigned you, that will work out throughout the competition, okay? So, every question starts with the child 1 itself, I mean the participant number 1 itself. So, we move on to the competition, okay? Now, these are the rounds which we have throughout this competition. Round 1, warm up. Round 2 is general round. Round 3 is elimination. And after the 3 rounds, what will happen is that the top 5 will qualify for the next round. And if there is a tiebreaker, we will do that also, and then we will move on to the next round. Okay. And then we have round 4, which is a visual round, and round 5 is a rapid fire. Okay. And tiebreaker if needed at the end. Okay. So these are all the rounds which we have. 5 rounds, totally 5 rounds are there. Remember that after 3 rounds, the top 5 qualify for the next round. Okay. So let's begin the session. So round 1, here comes the warm-up session. Warming up the session in the sense that making you ready for the competition. That is what it aims. Okay. So here comes the rule. The first and foremost rule to be remembered is that no calculators are to be used throughout the competition. No calculators are allowed. No electronic gadgets are allowed. Please be clear with that point. Okay. And the rule goes like this. Each contestant gets 1 question to answer. Time limit is 15 seconds. If a wrong answer, the question passes to the next contestant, and time limit for that will be 5 seconds. And thirdly, we have no points. It is a warm-up for the competition. Think and give 1 answer. No multiple answers for that. Think and give 1 answer. Even for other sessions also, throughout the competition, there should be only 1 answer for every question. And finally, we wish you all the best. We are going to begin the session. Okay. So here comes the question 1 to participant number 1. What can you put between 7 and 8 so that the result is greater than 7 and less than 8? Your time starts now.
Ma'am,
Timer is there.
ma'am, 7.8, 7.8.
Yeah, you mean decimal point. Am I correct?
Ma'am, 7.8 decimal point.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. That was a wonderful participation which you had given. Okay, children, please remember there is no points for this session which we are holding out. Okay. Now, this goes to participant number 2. Number 2. Question 2. If Mr. John is 90 centimeters plus half his height, how tall is he? Your time starts now. If Mr. John is 90 centimeters, are you not seeing the screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
If Mr. John is 90 centimeters plus half his height, how tall is he? I told that your video and audio should be clear. Question passes to the next person. Participant number 3, please give your answer.
Ma'am, 135 centimeter.
Wrong. Question passes to participant number 4. Anybody who's ready to give the answer, you can give.
Yes, ma'am. Akshat. Can I?
Yeah. Your participant number?
One. Archimedes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What's the
is it
answer?
180 centimeters?
Exactly, 180 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Akshay. Now we go to participant number 3. Participant number 3, here is a question for you. If half the diagonal of a square is 5 centimeter, then what is the area of the square? Your time starts now.
No, ma'am, I'm not sure.
Participant
Okay.
number 5. This is participant number 5, no? The question?
No, it has to go in that order, ma'am, where we had,
Participant number 3, correct.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Anybody who is ready to give the answer for this, you can give.
Ma'am,
Don't pass.
can we use a pen and paper and write down?
I already mentioned that rule when we had begun the
Okay,
competition,
ma'am.
right?
Okay.
Anybody ready to give the answer? Give a quick answer. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next question. Your time is over. 5 seconds over. The answer is 50. Now, the question goes to participant number 4. Here comes your question. You are given 3 positive numbers. You can add these numbers and multiply them together. The result you get will be the same. Which are these numbers? Your time starts now.
If you don't know the answer, say pass.
I'm not sure.
Anybody who is ready to give the answer?
And 1, 2, and
Ma'am, is it?
There was one person who came before. Who was that? Can I know?
Ma'am, Akshat. 1.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, right. That was the right answer which you gave. Now the question goes to participant number 4. Your question is here. When 2 numbers are added together, their sum is 46. One of the numbers is
Participant number 5.
yeah, participant number 5. Your question is here. When 2 numbers are added together, their sum is 46. One of the numbers is 6 greater than the other. What are the 2 numbers? Your time starts now. Anyone ready to give the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I-
1. Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 9. Number 9.
One at a time.
1.
One at a time.
Ma'am, number 9, it's a 20 and 26.
Exactly. Very good. Okay. Now the question goes to participant number 6. Here come your question. I am a 3-digit number. My second digit is 4 times bigger than the third digit. My first digit is 3 less than my second digit. Who am I? Your time starts now. Question open to anyone. Anybody who's ready to give the answer? Your 5 seconds get over. The answer is 141. Now the question passes to participant number 7. The next question for participant number 7. What is the probability of getting 5 Sundays, which is my favorite day as well as your favorite day, in a 31-day month? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, it should start 0.
No, wrong. Anybody?
3 by 7.
3 by 7. Exactly. Who said that 3 by 7? Can I know?
Number 6.
I can't hear you. Please make the audio more clear.
Number 6.
Number 6. What's your name?
Pranav.
Pranav. Okay, very good attempt, Pranav. I hope you are learning about probability, right? Okay. Now the next question goes to participant number 8. Here comes the question. The sum of the squares of 3 consecutive natural numbers are 5. Which are these 3 numbers? Your time starts now. The question open to anyone?
Ma'am, 0, 1, 2.
Exactly. Who is that?
Ma'am, Pavan. Number 3.
Pavan. Wow, very good, very good. It was a good attempt, Pavan. Go ahead, okay? Now the next question to participant number 9. Here comes the question. 5 people were eating chocolates. A finished before B, but behind C. B finished before E, but behind B. What was the finished order? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, is it C, A, B, D, E?
Exactly. Very good. Very good. Very good. Go ahead. Okay. That's a good spirit of doing the questions. Okay. Let's go ahead with the last contestant for this warm-up round. So participant number 10, here comes your question. 27 hens were marching towards the farm. 5 of them lost their way. 13 hens returned and 9 hens finally reached the farm. What happened to the remaining hens? Your time starts now. Anybody? Can give
Ma'am,
the answer?
ma'am,
Yes.
number 9. There are no
Yeah.
remaining hens.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. That was a wonderful session of the warm-up round which you gave children. Okay. With almost all the answers correct you have given. So keep up the spirit. We will continue with the remaining rounds. So hereafter it starts with the rounds which you will be scoring your points also. Please target on that, okay, and count it up with all the rounds. Whatever points you get in all the rounds, that will be taken all together, and the final calculation will be done, and that is how we are going to decide the winner. Okay, so wish you all the best, children. Just and if you are ready with your answer, you say yes. Otherwise, you have to say no, and you have to pass it. Okay. Please be ready for that. Your audio and video should be very much clear for me, okay? Especially the audio which is coming out. It should be very clear. I should not keep on asking you what is the answer for that which you had given like that. And whenever you are giving a question, whenever you are giving an answer for the question which I am raising out, please tell your, if the question is passed, no, please tell your number also, which participant is that, and you can give the answer, okay? So here comes the general round. Please know the rules. Each contestant gets 1 question to answer. Time limit is 15 seconds. A timer is set up. If wrong answer, question passes to the next contestant, for which the time limit is 5 seconds. Direct correct answers get 10 points. Past answers get 5 points. Think and give 1 answer. Am I clear with the rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So wish you all the best, children. Let us move ahead. And Srilata ma'am, be ready for the scoring session. Srilata ma'am and Disha ma'am. Here comes the question to participant number 1. what number should appear next in this sequence? 1, 5, 12, 34, 92, 252. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Question passes to the next participant, participant number 2. Your time starts now.
I don't know, ma'am.
Passes to participant number 3.
I don't know.
4, participant number 4.
Don't know.
Participant number 5.
126.
Wrong. Participant number 6.
Eight.
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
188.
Make it more clear.
688.
Yeah, 688. Wonderful. That was a very good answer. So may I know your name as well as your participant number?
Participant number 6, name Pranav Manoj.
Okay, very good, Pranav. Keep up the good show. Okay. Now the next question is to participant number 2. Here comes your question. A man is facing northwest. He turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction and then turn 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? Your time starts now.
Southwest.
Wrong. Participant number 3.
North.
Wrong. Participant number 4.
West.
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
West.
Make it more clear. Your audio is not clear for me.
West.
West, she's saying west, I think.
She said west, sir. You heard it?
West.
Okay, west is a correct answer. Okay. So may I know the participant number as well as your name? Please make it clear.
Participant number 4, name Ajit.
5 points to her.
Aditya Ajit.
Aditya Ajit. Okay. Ajit gets 5 points for that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now participant number 3. Here comes your question for you. In how many ways can you distribute 10 identical balls into 2 non-identical boxes so that none are empty? Your time starts now.
8.
You said 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong answer.
Passes to 4.
4. Participant number 4.
I don't know.
Participant number 5.
5.
You said 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong. Participant number 6. Your time gets over. Participant number 7.
10.
Wrong. Participant number 8.
45.
Wrong. Participant number 9.
Ma'am, I said 9.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. That was a wonderful answer which was given by, may I know who was participant number 9? Is it Malavika Kishore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Malavika gets 5 points for that. Now the question goes to participant number 4. Here comes your question. There are 5 numbers. The average of 5 numbers A, B, C, D, E is K. When we subtract L from each of the 5 numbers, what will be the new average? Here comes your time also. Your time over, participant number 5. Your time over, participant number 6.
Not sure.
Okay, participant number 7.
5 minus L by 2.
Can you repeat the answer?
Ma'am, 5 minus L by 2.
Sorry, wrong. Participant number 7. Your time gets over. Number 8, participant number 8.
Ma'am, K minus L.
Exactly, K minus L. May I know who is that? K minus L, who had given the answer?
Ma'am, this is Pranav S.
Pranav S. Okay, Pranav S. Sorry?
Yeah, Pranav is correct, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav S get 5 points. Okay. Now we move on to the question for participant number 5. A merchant can place 8 large boxes or 10 small boxes into a carton for shipping. In one shipment, he sent a total of 96 boxes. If there are more large boxes than small boxes, how many cartons did he ship? Your time starts now. Sorry, your time over. Number 6, your answer.
Is it 11?
Exactly, very good. That was a wonderful answer. May I know who is that?
Pranav Manoj.
Pranav Manoj. Okay, Pranav Manoj, you are putting up a very good show. Continue like this. So 5 points for you. Okay. Now comes the question for participant number 6. Here is a question for you. There are some people on a train. 19 get off at the first stop. 17 get on. Now there are 63 people on the train. How many were on the train to begin with? Here starts your time.
$46.
Wrong. Sorry. Participant number 7.
65.
Exactly, 65. So that was an answer by who? May I know
And
your
my
name?
Pratish.
Nirmai Pratish. Okay, Nirmai Pratish, you are getting 5 points for that. Okay. Now comes the question for participant number 7. Here is your question. In a family of 8 sisters, each born 3 years apart, the youngest sister is 12 years old. How old is the eldest sister? Here starts your
36.
time. Pardon?
Ma'am, 36.
36 is wrong.
Ma'am,
The
can I answer?
question passes to participant number 8.
Ma'am, is it 39?
Wrong. Participant number 9.
Ma'am, is it 33?
Exactly. That was a wonderful answer, Malavika. You get 5 points for that. Okay. A very good show you're also putting up. Go ahead. Okay. Now comes the question for participant number 8. Here is your question. A fraction has a denominator greater than its numerator by 6. But if you add 8 to the denominator, then the value of the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Your time starts now. Sorry, your time got over. Participant number 9.
Ma'am, is it 7 by 10?
Wrong. Participant number 10. Your time got over. Participant number 1. Your time is over. Participant number 2. Your time got over. Participant number 3. Your time is over. Participant number 4. Your time is over. Participant number 5. Time is over. Number 6.
7 by 13.
Pardon? Make it more clear.
7 by 13.
7 by 13 you said, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
7 by 3.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that was a wonderful answer. May I know your name as well as your number, please?
Pranav Manoj and number 6.
Okay, Pranav Manoj, number 6 gets 5 points for that. That was a wonderful answer. I think Malavika, you missed with a calculation error there. Am I right, Malavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So here comes your question for participant number 9. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, 4?
Exactly, wonderful answer. Exactly, Malavika. Go ahead. So that is 10 points added to Malavika's score. So that was a wonderful answer you had given. Now comes the question for participant number 10. John was asked how old he is. He said, in 2 years, I will be twice as old as I was 5 years ago. How old is John? So participant number 10, your time starts now.
Ma'am, 8 years.
Sorry, wrong. Your time got over. Participant number 1.
Ma'am, is it 12?
Okay, that was a wonderful answer. May I know who was that?
1, ma'am.
Akshat,
Yeah, what
Akshat.
is your name? Tell your name.
Akshatas.
Akshat. Okay, very good, Akshat. Very good. That was a wonderful chance you have taken, and you get 5 points for that. So with that, we end up with the general round for this session. Scorers, I think your scores are there with you. Okay, so shall we proceed to the next round? Are you all ready for that, children?
Madam, they are saying the
Yes,
score.
ma'am.
The scorers.
Jisha ma'am, do we have to say the score now?
Yes, okay. We can.
Okay. Okay, so the scorers, please go ahead with the scores.
Okay, the participant number 1, Akshay scored 5 points. And Aditya scored, participant number 4, Aditya scored 5 points. And participant number 6, Pranav Manoj scored 15 points. And Nirmay scored 5 points. Pranav S scored 5 points. Malavika scored 20 points. And the others, they didn't score yet.
So that is your score, children, you have taken. Don't give up the show, okay? Maths is always maths only. You work on that, you will be able to score up. Maybe this round is open to like those who have not scored yet. You can think about that. Think and give the answer, children. You put up a wonderful work so that you can gain your scores also. Wish you good luck for this round also. So here comes the next round for this session. We have round number 3, which is named as the elimination round. Elimination round. Please know that after this round, only the top 5 will qualify for the next 2 rounds which we have. Okay, so wish you good luck, children. Put up a good show. Don't think that you are not doing a good work so that you don't have to continue. Maybe in this round you can score well. That is how your fate is. So please go ahead with that. So here comes the rules for this session. Each contestant gets 1 question to answer. Time limit is 15 seconds. If wrong answer, question passes to the next contestant. Time limit is 5 seconds. Correct answers will get 10 points. Past answers will get 5 points. Think and give only 1 answer. No calculators, no electronic gadgets are allowed. So wish you all the best, children. So let's begin with participant number 1 itself. Here comes your question. If 15% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2, then the number is. Your time starts
Ma'am, can
now.
you repeat the question? I didn't hear the last part. Can you repeat the question, ma'am? I didn't hear the last part. Can you repeat the... Ma'am?
Akshad, are you not able to see the screen?
No, ma'am. No.
Why is it happening like that?
Ma'am, can you just put it again the screen?
Yeah, you have to. I said you have to have the good video and audio quality throughout the
No, ma'am.
competition.
Can you repeat the last part?
I can repeat, but you have to see the screen also, right, Akshad?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's begin the session. If 15% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2, then the number is. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, is it 16?
Exactly. Very good. Okay. So you get 10 points for that. So now the question passes to participant number 2. Children, please be aware that you should see the screen. If you're not able to view the screen, you have to check your network quality. Okay. Now the question goes to participant number 2. Here comes your question. What number should come next? The sequence goes like this: -2, 1, 0, and 1.
-2.
Pardon?
-2.
-2 is a wrong answer. Participant number 3. Question passes to participant number 3.
Ma'am, 1.
Wrong. Participant number 4. Your time gets over. Participant number 5. Wrong. Participant number 6.
Not sure.
Participant number 7. Your time. Pardon?
Not sure, ma'am.
Okay. Participant number 8.
Ma'am, 3.
Wrong. 9. Participant number 9.
-1.
Sorry, wrong. 10. Number 10. Your answer.
4.
Sorry. Participant number 1.
Ma'am, is it 2? Positive 2?
Sorry, that's not the answer. Okay, the answer for this question is 32. I think none of them scores any marks in this question. Am I right, scorer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us move on to participant number 3. Here comes your question. The largest 4-digit number, which is a perfect cube, is. Your time starts now. The largest 4-digit number, which is a perfect cube, is. Your
1000.
time. No, sorry. Participant number 4.
1000.
Sorry. Participant number 5.
9999.
Sorry. Participant number 6.
Not sure.
Okay. Participant number 7.
8000.
Sorry. Participant number 8.
Ma'am, 9801.
I'm sorry, that's not the answer. Participant number 9.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Participant number 10. Your time over. Participant number 1.
Ma'am, is it 9261?
Exactly. That was a wonderful answer by Akshat, I suppose, right, Akshat?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you are scoring 5 marks for that. Okay. So that was a wonderful answer which was given. Please know about this number also. It is a very good question also.
Yeah, cube of
9
21, right?
Yeah,
Cube of
9261. Yeah, 9261 is the largest 4-digit number, which is a perfect cube. Okay. Now the question goes to participant number 4. Here comes the question. How many blocks are there in this? Your time starts now. Pardon?
14.
You said 14, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exactly. That was a wonderful answer. May I know who was that?
Participant number 4, Aditya Ajit.
Okay, very good, Aditya. That was a wonderful answer which you have given. You get 10 points for that. Okay. Now, the question goes to participant number 5. Here comes your question. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand at 3:15? Your time starts now.
90 degree.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Question passes to number 6. Your time over. Question passes to number 7.
And 0 degree.
Sorry, wrong answer. Number 8.
Ma'am, 2 degrees.
Sorry, that's a wrong answer. Number 9.
4 degree.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Number 10.
360 degree.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Number 1.
Ma'am, is it 7.5?
Exactly, 7.5 degree. That is a correct answer for that. It's a tricky question. It's a logical question too. Please know about that. Okay. So that was a wonderful answer which was given by Akshat, I suppose, and you get 5 points for that, Akshat. Okay. Now the question goes to participant number 6. Here comes your question. What number fits into the last triangle? Time starts now. Sorry, your time over. Number 7, the question passes to you.
Ma'am, 8.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Number 8.
Ma'am, 7.
Exactly, very good. That was a wonderful answer. May I know your name as well?
Ma'am, this is Pranav S.
Pranav S. Okay, very good. Pranav S, your answer was right. That is the number which fits in the last triangle is number 7, and you get 5 points for that. Okay. So now let us go on to participant number 7. Here comes your question. Out of 450 students in a school, 325 play football, 175 play cricket, and 50 neither play football nor cricket. How many students play both football and cricket? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 50.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Participant number 8, your answer?
Ma'am, 400.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Number 9.
Ma'am, is it 50?
Sorry, that is a wrong answer. Number 10.
75.
Sorry, that's not a correct
Ma'am,
answer.
I know.
Number 1. The question is passing to everyone. Please
Yeah,
wait.
ma'am, is it 100? Is it 100?
Exactly. Actually, you have to wait for your turn. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I am number 1.
Yeah, I know, but you were like previously answering for me, right? Okay, you have to wait for your turn till the other person finishes. Okay? Am I clear, Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Akshay gets 5 points for that. The answer is 100. Now the question for participant number 8. Here comes your question. Find the missing number. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 13.
Sorry, that's a wrong answer. Number 9, the question passes to you.
Ma'am, is it 17?
Exactly, wonderful answer. That is 17. Okay, so participant number 9 gets 5 points for that. Okay, and here comes the question for you, participant number 9. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. Originally, how many apples he had? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, is it 1050?
Sorry, that's not a correct answer. The question passes to number 10. Your time gets over. Number 1.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, question passes to number 2.
Ma'am, is it 2100?
Sorry, that's a wrong answer. Number 3, your turn.
Ma'am, 700.
Exactly, wonderful answer, brilliant answer. Who was that? Can I know?
Ma'am, number 3, Pavan.
Pavan, very brilliant answer, Pavan. That was a wonderful work which you had done. Okay, go ahead with that. So you get 5 points for that. Okay, now the last question for the round. Okay, so it goes to participant number 10. Here comes your question. In a class of 60 students, where girls are twice that of boys, Karthik ranked 17 from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Karthik, How many boys are after him in the rank? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 8 and ahead.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Question passes to participant number 1.
Ma'am, not sure.
Passes to number 2.
Ma'am, is it 33?
Sorry. Number 3.
Ma'am, 16.
Sorry. Number 4. Your time over. Number 5.
27.
Sorry. Number 6.
12.
Exactly. Wonderful answer. Brilliant answer. Who was that? Can I know?
Number 6, Pranav Manoj.
Okay, Pranav Majan, that was a wonderful work which you have done, Pranav. Keep up the good show. You get 5 points for that. So with that, we end up with round 3 for the competition, which was an elimination round. And here comes your scores. After that, only top 5 scorers will be qualifying for the next 2 rounds which we are having. So over to the scorers. May I know about the scores?
Participant number 1, Akshat got 30 points. Participant number 9, Malavika got 25 points. And participant number 6, Pranav Manoj, 20 points. Continued with participant number 4, 15 points. Then participant number 8, 10 points. As well as participant number 7 and 3, 5 points each.
So that was a wonderful work which you have done, children. Very good show. You have put up very energetic answers which you had given. Please read the quote which I have put for you here. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You can rock up any good show which like this which is given to you. Have a great day. Goodbye. Good luck. But before that, let me know about the final the final 5 contestants which are going to participate.
Yes, ma'am. So Akshat, Malavika, Pranav Manoj, Aditya, and Pranavas.
Okay. Ma'am, can I know about their participant numbers too?
Yes. Participant number 1 and participant number 9.
Okay.
Participant number 6.
6 is Pranav Manoj, right?
6 is Pranav Manoj. I will tell, ma'am. I will give it.
Yeah.
Okay. Participant number 1, Akshat.
Okay.
Participant number 9, Malavika.
Okay.
Participant number 6, Pranav Manoj.
Okay.
And participant number 4, Aditya.
Okay.
And participant number 8.
Okay.
Pranav S.
Pranav S. Okay. So children, you have done a brilliant work.
1 minute, ma'am. Srilada, ma'am, please verify the names.
Yes, madam, it's correct.
Exactly, it is correct.
Madam. Others can leave. It's correct,
Yes,
madam.
yes. Others, please leave.
Thank you.
Thank you for all your participation, and thank you teachers for the good work you have put up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Ma'am, did everyone leave? Can somebody check for that?
Mridul is
And-
left. Mridul, Matthew, Joseph, not left.
Okay, please ask him to leave.
Now it's yes, he left. He left now. Now
Okay.
Aditya, Ajit, Akshada, Malavika, Pranav, and Pranavas. Yes.
Okay, all are feeling tensed. Malavika is a bit tensed, it seems. Okay, and Akshad, you are doing a wonderful work. Go ahead, Akshad.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, and may I know about the other participants? Are you all eager to rock the show?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So then let us move ahead with that spirit. Okay, that spirit of working out. Wonderful work, children. Go ahead. You rock the show. You get your chance of winning the competition. Okay. Wish you good luck from every one of us present here. So let us go ahead with the final part of the show. Okay.
So now we have the participant number 14689.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So we will move the round like this. First question will be for participant number 1. Second question will be for participant number 4. Third question will be for participant number 6. Fourth question will be for participant number 8. And fifth question will be for participant number 9. Ma'am, that will be our order which will be following. Okay?
Yes,
Children,
yes.
Children, are you all clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us
Yes, ma'am.
rock the show. Let us rock the show. Okay, we will together move. So here comes the visual round. Round number 4, visual. And these are the rules for that. Please read on that. Each contestant gets 1 question to answer. Time limit 15 seconds. If a wrong answer, question passes to next contestant. Time limit 5 seconds. Direct correct answers get 10 points. Past answers get 5 points. Think and give only 1 answer. There should be only 1 precise answer for that. Wish you all the best, children. Let us move ahead with the show. So here comes the question for participant number 1. Are you ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay. I am a number. I am not an odd number. I am higher than 90. I am not higher than 100. If you subtract me from 100, you get nothing. What number am I? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 100.
Exactly. Brilliant answer. Brilliant answer from participant number 1, and he scores 10 points for that. Okay, now participant number 2, are you ready for that? Here comes your question for participant number 2.
Participant number 4, I think. 4.
I mean participant number 4. When I said that was a wrong thing because that was the order we were following. Okay. So participant number 4, here comes your question. If a raised to 4 is equal to 14, b raised to 4 is equal to 78, then c raised to 4 is equal to. Your time starts now. Your time is over. The question passes to participant number 6.
Is it 252?
Exactly.
252. Yeah.
Brilliant answer. Fantabulous answer. Who was that?
Pranav Manoj.
Pranav Manoj. Correct? Pranav Manoj. Pranav Manoj, you are scoring 5 points for that. Pranav Manoj, I think that was a 10 points. Am I right, Srilata ma'am?
No, it's a passing question, ma'am.
Passing question.
Okay.
5
It's a
points.
5 points.
Okay, so I lost the track of tracing him. Okay, so that was participant number 6. Okay, so Pranav Manoj get 5 points. Please correct me if I am going wrong with the score. Any scorers you can correct me. Okay, so now the question goes to participant number 6. Here comes your question. How many triangles can you count in this shape? Your time starts now.
Ten.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. Participant number 8.
Ma'am, 11.
Sorry, that's a wrong answer. Participant number 9.
Ma'am, is it 13?
Exactly. Very good. Wonderful answer, Malavika. That was 13 is the number of triangles you can see in this shape. So Malavika gets 5 points for that. Okay. Now the question for participant number 8. Here comes your question. Today is Monday. What day of the week will it be 61 days from today? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, Sunday.
Sorry. Participant number 9, the question passes to you.
Saturday?
Exactly. Brilliant answer, Malavika. Saturday is the correct answer for that, and you get 5 points for that. Now comes the last question, that is for participant number 9. Here is your question. What is the sum of all cubes in this? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, 27?
Exactly. Brilliant answer, Malavika. That was a wonderful answer you had given, and you have scored 10 points for that. Scorers, may I know, please track with the scores which they have. The round is getting over. The visual round scores.
Carried forward from the previous two.
No, actually you can speak about this one, and then we will finally tally up with everything.
Participant number 1, 10 points. Participant number 6, 5 points. And participant number 9, 20 points.
Participant number 4 and 8, what are the scores?
They didn't score anything this round.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. So participant number 4 and 8, maybe you can rock in the next round, and the final round which is going to happen in this today's event which is happening, that is a rapid fire round which we have. Okay, so let us move ahead with that. So keep up a good show. This is a final round. You have to rock the show. Okay, keep up the good spirit. All the best, children. Here comes the rapid fire. And the rules for this show is each contestant will be asked 3 questions. Total time limit for the 3 questions is 18 seconds. If you don't know the answer for a question, then you have to tell pass, then only you will get the next question for that. Otherwise, you may lose your time of 18 seconds. Please be very clear with that. Total time is 18 seconds. You have 3 questions. Question will appear only one by one. First question given, if you know the answer, you tell the answer. Otherwise, you say pass, then only you will get the second question. If you don't know answer for the second question, telepass, then only you will get the third question. If you're not doing that within the limited time, you will lose the chance of this 18 seconds, maybe with one question stuck up or two questions stuck up. Am I clear with this timings?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And 10 points for each correct answer. Questions does not pass. This is not a round where we'll have passing the questions, and no negative marks. Okay. So wish you all the best, children. Are you all ready for that? Can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here comes the question for participant number 1. Which mathematician is known as the father of mathematics? Your time starts now.
Archimedes, right? Ma'am, Archimedes.
Exactly, very good answer. The next question, the average of 3 numbers is 30. If each of these numbers is double, what is the average?
Ma'am, average of each numbers is 30. Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Your time got over. That answer was 60. Okay. Okay, so let us move to participant number 4. Here comes your session of questions. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is 26. The largest among these is. Your time starts now.
26.
No, wrong answer.
Pass.
Who is known as the father of modern mathematics? Any answer for that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this first question, the answer was 29. The second question, the answer was René Descartes. Now the question goes to participant number 6. Here starts your question. The Roman numeral D stands for. Your time starts now.
500.
Exactly. The next question. India's first satellite was named after the great mathematician.
Is it Aryabhatta?
Exactly. Very good. And your time is over. You got 2 correct answers. That was a wonderful work which you have done. Now the question goes to participant number 8. Here comes the question for you. Who is the first woman mathematician in the history? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, pass.
Your next question, I am an odd number. If you add double of mine with me, you will get the largest 3-digit number. Who am I?
Pass.
Next question, what is the Roman number for 90? 90. Pardon, I didn't hear you the answer properly.
Ma'am, I couldn't say the answer.
Okay. So the last question of the session for participant number 9. Here comes your question. Which is the largest number that can be made with 3 2s? Your time starts now.
Pass.
The next question. Who is known as the Indian father of mathematics?
Ramanujan.
Sorry?
Aryabhatta.
Yeah, exactly. The next question. What is the Hindu Arabic number of XCVI? Did you give me any answer?
I said 60.
Sorry, that was a wrong answer. So your first question answer was 2 raised to 22. Second question answer is Aryabhatta, and the third one the answer is 96. Okay, with that we end up with a show. Let me get back to the scorers to know about the score. Please stay on there. Don't leave the teams. Congratulations to all the winners and all the participants. Over to the scorers. We will have the all-round calculation of every round which we had. Totally, for 4 rounds we had to make the score. That is how it will be carried out. Okay. Akshat is eagerly waiting to know what is his score.
Srilata ma'am, is it ready?
A brilliant work, children. You go ahead, you rock any show, you can do it. Okay. Keep up continuing like this.
3 questions ma'am gave. Each question 10 marks. No?
Yes. Yes.
Participant number 1, Akshat got 50 as the total score.
Yes.
Okay.
Participant number 4 got 15 scores as a whole. Aditya.
Can you know the score once more?
15, 1-5.
Okay.
And going to participant number 6, Pranav Manoj of 45 points.
Okay.
Yes.
And participant number 8, Pranav S of 10 scores, 10 points.
Okay.
And that of participant number 9, Malavika, 55 points.
Okay, very good. Wonderful work, Malavika.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Yeah, and so can you know the overall scores, ma'am? Like that is.
The first goes to participant number 9, Malavika of 55 points.
Very good. Wonderful work, Malavika.
Second goes to Akshat of 50 points. Akshat of 50 points, participant number 1.
Wow, very good, Akshat. Go ahead. Keep up the spirit of doing maths.
And third for participant number 6, Pranav Manoj of 45 points.
Okay, very good. Wonderful work. Can you know the scores for others too?
Others, Aditya 15 and Pranav, yes, 10 points.
Okay, so that is for these 2 rounds you are telling, right, ma'am?
No, it's a carry forward. They couldn't score that. Only Pranav Manoj scored the fourth round 5 points. That's all.
Oh, really? But that was also a wonderful work. You have attempted that. That itself is a very good.
Rapid fire, he scored well. He scored 2 answer, Pranav Manoj.
Okay.
That was wonderful.
But it's a very good, actually I also had a wonderful time with you people, like I mean keeping up the show like this and giving, like some of them were very spontaneous with your answers. That was a wonderful work you have done. Children, keep doing maths. Maths will make you perfect like anything. Okay, and keep up the spirit of rocking the show. Malavika, you are going to be in the pattern of doing the entrance questions. Am I right, Malavika? So you have to crack the shows which is coming up. Okay, so wish you all the best, children.